At 9 a.m., Claude Code is automatically analyzing my code and creating a list of identified gaps in GitHub. At 10 a.m., it goes and fixes those issues and creating a pull request. At 11 a.m., it documented all the changes and the new features. Schedule recurring tasks in CodeWork and also in Claude Code. One of the key reasons why OpenClaw became famous is because of these scheduled tasks. And now Claude Code is copying that. Who is going to win the race? And how you can use this feature? What are the different things you can try using this scheduled task? Create a daily briefing. Automatically review your code for any bugs. Fixing it automatically every single day. And I'm going to take you through step by step on how you can use this Claude Code and get your repetitive task scheduled daily. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Using this scheduled task, you can do daily briefings, weekly reports, recurring research, file organization periodically, regular team updates. So how scheduled tasks work? Claude saves your prompt as a task instruction and run it on a regular basis. The task can search Slack query files, run web research, generate reports and more, using any connectors and plugins. There are two different ways where you can create this scheduled task. One is go to cloud.ai/code/schedule and there you can automatically schedule a task. And the second way, using Claude Code Desktop. You can download that and here is Claude Code Desktop. You can schedule your task. So what is the difference between Claude Desktop version and Claude in the browser or Claude in the cloud version? Scheduled tasks on your desktop app have access to your local computer, which means you can regularly schedule tasks with your computer as the context. If you want to check your local files, use Claude Desktop. But if you want to schedule tasks which are based on cloud related services such as GitHub, Slack, Notion, GitLab, that means you can use Claude Code scheduled web version. First, creating a web-based scheduled task, connecting it to GitHub and identifying issues. Click the create scheduled task icon. Then I can give a name, daily code review. Then I can say find if there are any security issues. Create an issue in GitHub listing all these issues. And now I can integrate this with GitHub. Select a repository. I'm choosing Praise in AI and I want to do that regularly every day morning at 9 a.m. If you want to integrate this with any other tools such as Slack or Notion, then you can click this add connector and then connect accordingly. After that, click the create button and now it is ready. Daily code review at 9 a.m. So now I'm going to click run and see how it's going to work. Clicking run. Now you can see workflow run started. And here you can see the progress. I'm going to click that. And now if it's finding if there are any security issues such as SQL injection, command injection vulnerabilities, file path traversal and SRF issues. And this is quite tedious task. But with Claude Code, we can perform this task on a regular basis every single day and it's completed in minutes. So the daily code review schedule task automatically identified the gaps and created me a GitHub issues in this link. So I can even view that. So here is the list of issues identified under my own repo. So as a second step, I can create another scheduled task, fix the issues. So choosing the same repo, Praise in AI, and now I'm going to schedule at 10 a.m. Go through the reported issues and fix it. Now I can create the task. Now the next scheduled task, that is fix the issue task, which will run at 10 a.m. automatically go through the issue which was created and then try to fix it. So let's do a trial run by clicking this run now. Now it's going and reading all the issues and finally it fixed all the issues listed there and it created me the pull request. Let me open the pull request. So here's the pull request with all these changes. How much work done automatically. And this is going to happen every single day. If I am happy with this pull request, I can approve this and automatically it merges with the main branch. See the power of this scheduled task running every single day. And I am very excited about this. You can also create your scheduled task from your desktop app, which looks the same, but this is the desktop app where you can create a new task and try and test it. If you want any ideas, you can click the ideas tab. There you got some options which you can try, and various integrations also available, such as Slack, Asana, Google Calendar, Gmail, and much more. Second important thing is like you want to run all these repetitive tasks locally on your computer. To do that, you need to open your Claude Code desktop app. There, if you create a new task, it will automatically ask in which folder you want the Claude Code to have access to. So I can choose the folder, clicking on that, and choosing the folder and clicking open, and always allow. Now I've given a complete access to this current folder, and then I can give instruction. Document preparation. Prepare document for the new features. So now I want this agent to run on a regular basis. I'm going to click the frequency on a daily basis at 11 a.m. Pull the latest changes and then document all the new features. This is powerful. And then click save. Now what this does, it can automatically prepare the documentation and store it on my local computer, which I can refer it to when required. Even if you want to perform any task locally, you can create tasks from this Claude desktop. So that is a clear differentiation between Claude desktop and Claude Code in the cloud. So at 9 a.m. we identified issues. At 10 a.m. we fixed the issues. At 11 a.m. we are documenting all the new features added. So that's going to be repetitive, and I don't need to worry about that. I just need to monitor and approve the changes. That is going to be super. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Claude Code Scheduler, I also created another video about Claude Code integration with Telegram, which means you can access Claude Code right from your mobile phone. I'll put the link in here, and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.